In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit TradingView chart on mobile. Now, there's a bunch of different things you can do. The first one is, of course, you want to go to the chart tab at the bottom, and then you can go to the far right where it says menu, and above that, there's like those three dots. Tap on the three dots, and from here, if you scroll down, you can set your chart type over here in the middle, and you can, of course, add the indicators here as well. So you can add the chart by tapping chart type here, and you can go ahead and set it to bars. You could do hollow candles. You could do whatever you want it to be, okay? I'm just going to leave it at candles right now, and let's continue. So the second thing you can do at the very top left, you can see it says Bitcoin US dollar. So you want to double tap on the asset you have open, and when you double tap on it, it's going to allow you to basically change the body, borders, and wicks over here of your chart. And of course, you could also set different time zones and precisions. And if you tap on the arrow back top left, it's going to allow you to basically change everything regarding the status line, the change scales and lines over here, the canvas. You could also edit this if you want, trading, and then the alerts and the events as well, okay? So that's basically how to fully customize and edit your TradingView chart on mobile in their app. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.